So we got our time in there, and it seems like the next thing that we need to add is the linkType icon. And what this is referring to, if we look at it, you go to the icon as one of the properties of this element, and if you just copy and paste that URL, you'll see that it just gives you an idea of what the type of the post is, whether it's a photo, a status update, just a link, that kind of thing. So I thought that was a cool thing to add to the interface. So let's get to it. So let's see our static HTML example. Okay, it's just an image, and there we are. And then if we bring it into our JavaScript, we know that, okay, we have our time all figured out. So let me single quote and put that bad boy in single quotes. So what's going to be the dynamic portion of it? Actually, this one's pretty easy. It's just going to be, well, no, actually, I guess it's two elements, or is it? No. There's only one dynamic element because the one dynamic element is going to be the URL, actually, just the stuff in the middle over here. This alternate text is just going to be, the icon, and that's about it. So let's see. I'm going to put single quote and another single quote because I need to get rid of this URL, and plus plus. And then kind of as a visual guide, I am going to pop in that URL. Okay, but I need that to be a dynamic URL. So what am I going to add to it? Let's see. Icon. So it's going to be this dot icon. That's going to be pretty easy. Go this dot icon. And now let's see what we get. So now after the time, I should get an icon for each. Nice, and it worked. There we go. You see how there's an icon in here after each one of those elements. Now, notice that it's actually missing in some of them. So, okay, that's a problem that I don't have to deal with now. I'm just trying to stay on track, but that's something that I have to kind of make note of in the second stage. After I add everything together, that's where the debugging comes in. So, but that looks pretty good so far. The last thing I want to make sure I do is actually close out the article section, or the top section, because I noticed that the time that I'm putting in there, or actually the icon of the share post, is the very last element of the top section. So let me close that right there after the icon. And just to make sure it didn't change anything with my search results, I'll give it another go. Okay, cool. So I'm all finished with at least the top portion of my search result.